all cramp rolls start with a step. You can also do a double cramp roll where you're going to start with a flap instead of a step. So instead of doing step, step, heel, heel, you'll do flap, step, heel, heel. So it's a lot of fun. I like adding that extra sound into the cramp rolls. It can make it a little more interesting. Double cramp roll starts with a flap instead of a step. So you're doing flap, toe, heel, heel. You could do a triple cramp roll too. Shuffle, step, toe, heel, heel. We're just going to do doubles. So you're starting with that right foot. You are going to do 3 double cramp rolls. And that's, you're doing flap, cramp roll, flap, cramp roll, flap, cramp roll. And then you're going to do something called an alternating cramp roll. And this is where you drop the opposite heel. This is also sometimes called around the world cramp rolls. And they're wonderful because what happens is where your last heel drops determines where your weight is. So when you need to switch sides, if you're doing a series of cramp rolls, if you throw in an alternating cramp roll, that's going to shift your weight, so then you can start on the other side. So you would do 3 regular ones and 1 alternating one, which is going to go flap, toe, left, right. And then your weight ends on that right side. So you have flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, and alternate. Then you can start it over on the left side. Flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, and alternate. Okay, so let's put that part of it together. 5, 6, 7, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, left, right, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, alternate. Five, 6, 7, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, heel, heel, flap, toe, left, right,